morning, everybody. Kevin here from Podium Bodyworks. In this video today, we're going to talk about a unique vehicle that we have in here. It's a Spyder, a 2023 paint to sample frozen berry. Really nice spec. Love this car. The frozen berry is just one of those colors that's totally grown on us here. The silver that pops when it goes into the direct sunlight is really unique and amazing. We kind of wanted to talk about our color matching process and how we did the repair on this and were able to spot on a perfect color match. The fender was in just a minor indentation, just rubbed up against another car. However, we had to replace the fender, which means we had to go to complete paint on that panel. You can see it's exactly perfect on the color match. Another thing I want to talk about is how this car has a complete PPF. It's the paint protection film. And what happened was the fender got rubbed right here and it went into the bumper. And because of the PPF on the bumper, it actually protected it. It kind of burned out like this, as you can see on the fender. We were able to remove the PPF and just reapply new PPF and save the bumper. In this particular case, we had to replace the side marker light and replace the fender. We just finished shooting the frozen berry Spyder, and we'll see if we can grab Josh and see how the whole process went. So, how was the frozen berry? It's a paint to sample, super hard to shoot. What do you think?
It was cool. You know, I wasn't a huge fan of the color at first, but spraying it was really cool. It kind of darkens up when it's wet and is a real pretty dark pink, and so it kind of shifted my view of the color. But it was a lot of fun.
Right on. Right on. So, with that being said, the parts are out of paint. We're gonna start reassembling the vehicle here real soon. We got the bumper over here. Once everything cures and everything's gone through its gas off period, we will reapply PPF. That was originally on the vehicle. It had full PPF. That's something that we'll do here. We are an Expel dealer, so here's the bumper. And the vehicle is in the other Porsche facility, building number 3 at the end. We keep everything over there safe and dust free while we're working on the rest of the components. All right, it's about time for the Spyder to go home. Frozen berry, we did a repair on this, and we actually did something special for the client. They did not get a matching key fob when they took delivery. So what we did is we did the color match on the key fob for them, since it did not come from the factory like that. So we did the frozen berry. We'll show you the key when it's back together. We took the traditional Porsche key and did the color match on it for them.